noisier than the others because these are older, less efficient engines. But what's important about this airplane is it's the Air Force's flying control center. On the top is a 30-foot in diameter dome, 6 feet high, and other sensors. And in the back, rather than having a bunch of passenger seats, are multiple positions for sensor operators, for combat air controllers, so they can keep track of enemy aircraft and friendly aircraft and direct our friendlies to keep the enemies at bay or take them out of the sky altogether. From the right, the E-3 Sentry. This particular type of aircraft, this version of the E-3 Sentry, has been updated over the years and used to have cathode ray tube displays, CRTs, but now a great many of those have been switched over to flat screen televisions. They use less power, they have better resolution, and the computers that drive them and companies that help support the show. There's the smoke from those old motors, but the mission is still the same. The E-3 Sentry, Captain Alan Pearson is the aircraft commander, the co-pilot Captain Ray Chiff, the navigator First Lieutenant Andrew Dries, and the flight engineer Staff Sergeant Richard Burt. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause, if you will, for Team Tinker.